What's up, and welcome to step 2, episode 2 of building a future bass track. So, last video we had the beat and the melody. So in this we will focus on layering the beat, the melodies, and fixing the beat up a bit. So we will start by layering the chord here, and bam. Okay, let's put a little bit mix into it. So what we did here is that we cut away the low ends up to the mids, so we have the mid and the high ends left. So the chords won't clash with the sub bass and the bass line. So we'll continue to work on the mix a bit, like bam. Let's add some Valhalla reverb. Okay, we have kind of like something here. So what I like to do is I like to add some OTT, which is kind of like a multi-band compressor. It works something like you turn down the depth and the time and pull down the down and take the default. This is when you add it, so it's default now. Pull a bit down on the time. Damn, now it kind of sounds like something, but I kind of missed something to fill out the chord here. This kind of fills out the frequencies I wanted to fill out. So we kind of have our chords in the place right now. I will work on them later. So let's focus on the top melody now. What kind of way will I go? Will I go the marshmallow, the commercial kind of puppy thing, or will I go the other way where it's more like underground future bass? Let's see how it turns out. I'm just gonna cut at 150 Hertz and cut a bit of the top here, the high ends. And to my leads, my top melodies, I kind of want it to stand out. So what I use is a camel crusher, and I use the British clean preset here. And there's plenty of things to work with. I kind of want this one to stand out, and I feel like it kind of stands out because it's like it's a wide thing. So so let's do like this. Let's go to the bass. Okay, we can have a bass that works with the chords. Then we kind of like don't need to worry about how to make it work, but we need to make it more fat. Okay, that can work kind of like a mid sub bass. Let's see if we can find. Oh. Okay, let's try to play with this. We will kind of like, okay, so the subs will be placed on their own. Okay, let's see if we can get the chords on the bass. It kind of works together now. I still feel like the bass, there's something with the bass. Okay, so for the sub, I also add a camel crusher and a subtle master down here. Okay, they go exactly the same now, only that we have our mid bass going like, I don't know how to explain this. If it sounds good, it sounds good. So that's the magic rule of music production, and a lot of people tell you that. But let's see if we have something that works here. feel like the top melody needs to have something bigger than this kind of pluggy sound. So let's see if we can find something. Okay, so now we can hear that this kind of percussion tom doesn't work here, so something different. Okay, it already sounds way better than the tom. So that's kind of dope. What we can do now is fill up, and let's yeah. Before I said something about going one direction or the other direction, about going the commercial pop marshmallow way or the underground kind of way. This is kind of like the pop commercial way. It's also kind of like the kind of music you would hear in a YouTube video. So what we have right now is kind of something I would consider commercial.